Salve ragazzi, today's lesson is how to order coffee. Come ordinare il caffè. So a cultural note is that coffee is very important in Italian culture. So it is important to order it properly. The first thing that you need to know if you're going to Italy is inviting somebody for coffee. So you would ask, andiamo a prendere un caffè. Andiamo a prendere un caffè? Very, very good. Okay, that's how you invite somebody to drink coffee. You can say, sì, volentieri. Sì, volentieri. Yes, I would like to do that. Next, let's go over the various types of caffè that there are in Italy. So, as you know, in Italy we drink espresso, but we don't necessarily call it espresso because that's what we have. Okay, we don't have American coffee drip. That's an American thing. So when you ask for coffee, right, you would go and ask if you like regular espresso, which is much smaller than this cup. It's about the half size of a regular coffee. So, and if you ask for a regular espresso, you would say un caffè per favore. Un caffè per favore. If you like it very strong, they're going to give you a concentrated form. It's going to be this much coffee, so keep that in mind. And that would be un caffè ristretto. Un caffè ristretto. Very good. If you like it watered down, so you get more coffee, it would be un caffè allungato. Okay? Un caffè allungato. So, say you want your coffee decaffeinated. Un caffè decaffeinato per cortesia, or un caffè decaffeinato per favore. Very good. And say like your coffee with milk. We call it caffè macchiato. Caffè macchiato. It can be macchiato freddo with cold milk brought to you, or it can be macchiato caldo. They bring it to you with steamed milk on top. Just a little drop, right? If you like your coffee with a lot of milk, right, so you can ask for a cappuccino. A cappuccino cup is like the size of this cup, more or less. And yeah, I usually, when I go there, I end up getting two. But the price is cheap. It's like a euro 25 for a cup of cappuccino. So it's still cheaper than Starbucks. So don't worry about that. And another thing is that we don't have American coffee. Okay, so all espresso is all you get. If you ask for an americano, un caffè americano, they will not bring you an American coffee, the coffee drip that we know here in the United States. They will bring you a pot of hot water and your espresso. Okay, and then you can add as much water as you like. Okay, so if you want your coffee with sugar, un caffè con zucchero, okay, con un cucchiaino di zucchero, with a spoon of sugar. If you want it without sugar, un caffè senza zucchero. Un caffè senza zucchero. Very good. Italians also like their caffè corretto. What does it mean corretto? It means that they add some kind of liquor to it, like be it grappa or amaretto or sambuca. What's the difference between those? So grappa, I like to think about it like the Italian equivalent of vodka. It is clear like vodka. The taste is more like grape, I guess, but it's very clear, very strong, and a little sweet, and you put it on coffee, and it's usually very good, strong too. Another popular one is if you like it sweet, un caffè corretto sambuca. It has a sweet flavor like anisette, and that is a caffè corretto sambuca. Okay, and another type of coffee that we drink is un caffè corretto amaretto. So it has amaretto liquor, like an almond taste, that to make it, to give it more flavor. It's also a little sweet as well. Okay, so that is it for all the options on how to order caffè in Italian. Okay, I hope this lesson helps you, and you have a culture and knowledge about how to order coffee, and you don't get lost in the sea of options. Okay, so hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn more about Italian and Italian culture, visit my website www.italianlessonsnyc.com. I offer Italian lessons privately or in group settings and on Skype, or continue to follow me on my channel. Ciao ragazzi e a presto!